Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In this lecture, I will discuss the solution of question number 25. The weights of pebbles on a beach are normally distributed with mean 48.5 grams and standard deviation 12.4 grams. Find the probability that the mean weight of a random sample of 5 pebbles is greater than 51 grams. Since population is normal, with known variance, therefore the distribution of x bar will always be normal for any sample size. We need this probability. So when we will convert this in the form of z, we will have this thing. We will get this thing 51 minus mean and divided by square root of this. And you all know how to calculate this value. This is 1 minus 5, or those who are using the latest model calculator, they can get this area, and then they should subtract this area from 0.5 to get this area. Second part, find the probability that the mean weight of a random sample of n pebbles is less than 51.6. So this would be, we need n, and this information is given. X bar less than 51.6 and probability is 0.9332. So when we will convert this in the form of z, we'll get this thing 51.6 minus 48.5 divided by this thing under root. So you all know how to shade this area. Since we have lesser sign, so we have to shade in this way. So the corresponding z value of this area is 1.50. So this will be 1.50. By solving this equation, we can get the value of n. Well, this is all from this lecture. I hope this lecture will help you to understand the solution of this question well. Allah Hafiz.